In the timeless outback, where stories unfold, reside mystical birds with tales of gold. Their feathers carry tales of the land, whispering wisdom, both ancient and grand. In the red earth's embrace, they make their nest, guardians of tradition from east to west. With wings that span the outback's vast expanse, they dance with the spirits in a timeless dance. Their tales, like the rivers that wind and flow, carry the knowledge of long ago. Each plume a symbol, a sacred sign, connecting the past to the present time. In the songs of the land they find their voice, singing the stories, their hearts rejoice. Their eyes, like opals, gleam with pride, guiding the tribe side by side. Through the shimmering heat and the starlit night, they soar with the spirits in silent flight, bringing harmony to the ancient land with every beat of their wings, so grand. So listen closely to the wind's soft sigh and hear the birdsong soaring high. For in their flight, the stories unfold, mystical birds with tales of old.